Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change from pounds to kilograms on MyFitnessPal. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are starting to track things in pounds, but maybe you want to go ahead and start tracking things in kilograms. So how do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first what you're going to do is that you're going to go onto your MyFitnessPal account, and then on the bottom right hand side you want to click on more. Next you're going to scroll down to where it says settings, which is located underneath messages. Then click on profile. Once you're on this page right here, you want to click on units, which is located on the bottom hand side. So once you click on units, this is the units preference page where you can switch between kilograms and pounds. So if I want to go ahead and switch to kilograms, I just click on kilograms and then click on the check mark on the upper right hand side. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch from pounds to kilograms. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.